Welcome to TIP Tuesdee.
Welcome to
TIP Tuesdee.
Two Tips on a Tuesday.
Tips on a Tuesday.
Two Tip Tuesday.
Two Tip Tuesday. You get 2 tips.
TIP Tuesday.
Hey everybody, happy TIP Tuesday. Mr. Kevin here on a cold foggy day here in Humboldt County, California. And today we're going to give you some assembly tips when you're assembling cabinets. So, if you ever have to put a partition in your cabinets and you find that your partition is not staying square and you don't have enough hands or anybody to help you hold it square, what you do is you get yourself a framing square and a little tiny spring clamp. So you take your square and you put it up against your face frame. Alright, so what we're going to do is I'm going to pull this over until it's square. I'm going to hold it in place so that partition's square, and I'm going to take the spring clamp and I clamp it down to the floor. This spring clamp will hold your square to the wood, and I have pocket screws on the other side, and I can just pocket screw it in place. So, there you go. Two Tip Tuesday. Square, framing square, and a little itty bitty spring clamp. So what you do is you just push against the face frame here and push over until it's square and you like it. You take one of these little tiny spring clamps and you attach it here like that. There you go. And there you go. It'll hold it. It works pretty good. It holds pretty well too. The smaller the clamp, the better it is for 3/4 inch material. Happy Two Tip Tuesday. Have fun assembling, and thanks for watching. Bye. Hey everybody, Mr. Kevin here. Welcome to Two Tip Tuesday. So if you're assembling stuff and you're having a hard time holding it up, and you're putting door parts together, or even sides of cabinets or whatever, toe kicks or whatever, if you got yourself a wooden jaw clamp like this one here, you can just slide your piece in here like this and tighten it up. And even without this, it works pretty good. And it'll help you hold it up, and you don't have to keep flipping it over, and it won't fall over and all that. And if it's really big and tall and you're having a hell of a time with even one of these, or even two, you can put one down at the other end. See, this is pretty long. Put one way down here, and it'll help. Put yourself a quick grip on there, and it'll help hold it up. So a wooden jaw clamp and a little quick gripper. Magic. Happy Two Tip Tuesday. Bye. Hey everybody, Mr. Kevin here. So you ever have a problem with your clamps and they show up like this? It's like a little pad's missing. This one's lonely. I got a lonely pad. I found it on the floor. Usually I put it on there and it falls right off. It doesn't stay on very good. I don't want to lose it again. But they're just barely on there, like you just falls off. Crap. So the way to cure that is double stick tape. Yeah. You should always have double stick tape in your shop. It works good for all sorts of things. I'm just going to take a little piece. All right, so I'm just sticking on the bottom and wrap it around like that. Now if I can see what I was doing. Oh, I know. I'll put on 4 pairs of glasses and I can really see that now. Ha! Amazing. I'll get it. Hold on, just give me a minute. There it is. Okay. There it is. Look like that. There you go. So I got double stick tape right there, right? And the pad that always falls off that I can never ever find because it always falls off. I'm just going to stick it on here like this and slide this up. Give it a little snuggy poo. All right, snug. Loosen it up. Double stick tape. It works good. Double stick tape. Everybody should have some. Boom. There you go. It works good for all sorts of kinds of things. If you're ever running molding by yourself and you want to hold something up, and you stick the double stick tape on the back of the molding and pull it off there and stick it to the wall, and it'll hold it up too. I've done that before. Let's say you wanted to get all fancy and make one of these. A push stick. Let's just say you're one of those people who likes to make push sticks, and and you want to flush trim this pattern to your piece of wood that you made that cost $1 million and takes forever to do. So what do? Well, you just take your little I'll put a couple pieces on there just to show you, and I'll show you how well this stuff sticks. I'll give you a second here. Well, let's say you're one of those people that like to flush trim everything. You know, I'm going to put this on my flush trim router. I'm going to flush trim it off. Right? I need one of these. I can't see what the hell I'm doing. I don't have fingernails. Fingernails tend to absorb splinters, so I don't have them. It's my every 3-day ritual. Cut off your fingernails. Otherwise, you get splinters up your fingernails. Two-tip Tuesday. There's another one for you. So, you pull off the tape, right? You got your piece. Let's say you bandsawed it out and it's pretty close to this thing. And what you do now is you just take this Johnson here and you stick it on there like that. Magic. Tap down a little bit. And you can actually take this and flush trim it. I wouldn't do it with all this wood on there. You know, you bandsaw it off first, and then you can attach this, and then you can run this on a flush trim bit, and it won't come off. So you got to make sure you tap it down by hand, or you have one of these Johnsons, dead blow, and you're bang it a few times, but this won't come off. I'm literally going to have to pry this off now. You can use this for any kind of pattern. You know, oh, I got one over here. Holy cow! Look at this is for my next month's project, a curvy thing. You can do the same with this. So instead of putting holes in your jigs like this, you just take double stick tape, put it on your jig. You use this as a template. You cut it out, whatever piece of wood you have. Boom, you're done. You double stick tape it, and you'll have this syndrome. It don't come off. I'm telling you, I'm literally gonna have to pry this off. Literally. Poop. Right, here, let me try beating it with a dead blow. Here, ready? Here. There. See? Came off after I hit it with a 2-pound dead blow. So it'll work on curved pieces. You want to flush trim your push stick because you have that's what you want. Oh, just like this. Double stick tape. If you want to fix your problem of your little plastic doohickeys coming off your clamps all the time, double stick tape. Put it right on there. It works good. If you want to piss off one of your friends and you know, just cause you know you got a real hairy friend and you just want to piss them off, double stick tape. Don't tell them I told you though. Sheesh. Double stick tape. Everybody should have some in their shop. Double stick tape. It works good. Happy Tip Tuesday. All right. And there you go. Adios, amigos. We'll see you next time on Tip Tuesday. All right, bye. I forgot the magic button. Magic button. Hold on, excuse me for a minute. Hey, am I in tune? Hello? I've used so much pine since I was in high school. All right. Bamboo finger thing up the whatever the hell it is. All right, never mind, shut up. Hi, everybody. I'm wearing extra glasses because I feel extra smart. All right, I got my extra special safety glasses on. Anybody see me? I can't see nothing. I feel like an alien. I'm alienistic. You know, like this with my eyeballs, it makes me dizzy. All right, now it's hard to show it and do it. You take your face frame. Take your face frame. God. So you take your framing square. Good Lord, get it right. Lost my magic button. Happy Tip Tuesday.
Two Tip Tuesday.